Hello everybody. So many University of Waterloo students have asked me how they can actually sync their University of Waterloo Learn management system account with the Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. University of Waterloo actually uses D2L, which is Desire2Learn, for their learning management system, and Desire2Learn actually uh, uses Internet Calendar subscription model in their calendar application. So for this tutorial, I'll configure my account with Google Calendar as well as Microsoft Outlook, and then you can follow and configure it on your systems. So first we'll go on to the D2L website. Once we are there, first log in. Now that I have graduated, I am not registered in any of the courses this term. So I'll directly go into the calendar application. Now this is my calendar. It looks empty because I'm not taking any courses, but let's see if I have some former schedule. Yeah, so there's Monday, April 9th, 2012, and there was a test from 9:30 to 10. So let's leave it here, go back, and let's first enable our internet calendar subscription. So you can see a settings bar here. Click on it and you'll see enable calendar feeds, and there are various options. You can select the ones that you like, but I'll suggest you leave it as it is and just enable calendar feeds and save. Now that it has been saved, now you can see that there's a subscribe button now available over here. Click on it and you will get a unique URL of your account, which you can copy and close the button. Now in order to sync it with the Google Calendar, now you have taken the feed, go into the Google Calendar, other calendars, add by URL. So let me do it again for you. When you open the calendar application, there would be different sort of calendar. These are your default calendars that you do from normally from your Google account or Gmail account. Now there would be another option of other calendars below that. So just open this up, add by URL, and paste the link. So you can make your calendar publicly accessible as well. Like if one of you actually syncs it with his Gmail or Outlook, and then he can share with others on who are using a calendar in Gmail or stuff like that. But for now, I'm just leaving it as private. Add calendar. So the calendar has been added, and now you can see that the all courses University of Waterloo is appearing over here. So what you need to do is, for example, we need to check if it is actually syncing, or uh, it has given the notification that calendar was imported successfully, but we need to make sure that the events are being imported over here. So when we saw the other application, it said that there's a test on April 9th, 2012. So let's see if it has appeared over here. Yep. So as you can see, the 9:30 test just appears over here, and it is saying that it is from the all courses University of Waterloo. And for your ease, you can always, like, you can see the colors are matching, and this appointment and this appointment is matching. So you can always change the colors. If you'll do this red, this would appear red. If you'll do this purple, this would appear purple. And then you can always set notifications accordingly. Like, just go to the notifications. If you want SMS, you want email, you want recurring reminders, you can always do that from the Google Calendars. And let me tell you this one as well, that if you want to remove this calendar, like after you graduated and you want to remove the calendar, you can always go into the settings and click unsubscribe, and this goes off from your system. And now we do not have anything over here. So now let me tell you how you can do that in Microsoft Outlook. Go to the Microsoft Outlook. Once you are in the Microsoft Outlook, just click on the calendar on the left hand side. This is the tab, and you will enter into the calendar application. In the left hand menu, just do a right click and you'll have this drop down menu. Click on add calendar, and then you'll have different options from which you can select from internet. So we can paste the same link that we got from D2L and press OK. Now you can always configure advanced options, but for now we're just adding the calendar to see if it is syncing. So press yes, and now that you can see that all courses of University of Waterloo are actually appearing here. As you know that I'm not registered, so there was only one thing that was appearing in my calendar over there. So let's see if it's here, and move to April, and let's do a month review. And yes, you can see that there's a test on April 9th that is showing up on my Outlook. And then if you want to delete the calendar from your Outlook, you can always do that similar to Google Calendar. Just right click on the calendar, delete calendar. It would ask you for the confirmation and click yes, and now this is off from your system as well. So this is pretty much it. If you have any more questions, you can just comment or you can email me, and I'll be happy to help you out on that. Thank you.